गोय राज्य कायदेशीर सेवा प्राधिकरण आणि उत्तर गोय जिल्लो कायदेशीर सेवा प्राधिकरणान मिरामार दर्यावेळी नितळसाण उपक्रम राबयल्लो। सैमीक सुंदरताय पिड्ड्यार जावपाक दिवची न्हय आनी स्वच्छता मंत्र फुडें व्हरपाक हो उपक्रम राबयल्लो म्हण ॲडव्होकेट शबनम शेख हिणें म्हायती दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
A program is organized by Goa State Legal Service Authority in association of District Legal Service Authority, CCP, Tourism Department, Forest Department, and all the staff, all the judges and the students of People's High School, Mustiban School have participated today in this beach clean drive. This beach clean drive program is organized to keep our beaches clean. The water bodies are getting polluted by all the dirt which are being thrown by people. I feel that everyone should think that we should not throw things outside because the things thrown out makes pollute the area. One person keeps the house clean, likewise the person also should keep the surrounding, not only inside but outside the houses also clean. With this intention, since the beaches are getting polluted and getting dirty, we thought of organizing this program, and we have a crowd of around more than 300 to 400 today who are doing this work of cleaning the beach, and we have collected a lot of baggages of these plastic bottles, glass bottles, various things are being collected, and still the things are being going on. And I hope that all should keep in mind that we should not throw things outside the house and make the things dirty. And I request all to keep things clean. The beach clean drive was being participated, and it was headed and by High Court judges, Justice Jamdar, N.M. Jamdar, Justice C.V. Badang, then Member Secretary Sudhir Deshpande, Principal District and Session Judge Sri Isha Daga, myself Shabnam Sheikh, Secretary of District Legal Service Authority, then the High Court Registrar Sinde, he has also participated today in this program, plus the Commissioner of the CCP have also participated today for this beach clean drive.